Have you ever wondered why some people grow strong in their faith while others fall away so quickly? Let me tell you a story Jesus once told that might just change how you see your life. It was early morning, and Jesus decided to go down to the beach. The waves were calm, and the sunrise painted the sky with orange and pink hues. But he couldn't sit quietly for long. People from everywhere began to gather around him, hungry for hope, desperate for answers. The crowd grew so large that Jesus had to step into a small fishing boat, pushing off from the shore just enough so everyone could see and hear him. The gentle rocking of the boat didn't stop him from teaching, and that's when he told them this story. Imagine a farmer walking through his field, reaching into his bag and scattering seeds across the ground. As the seeds flew from his hand, they landed in all sorts of places. Some fell on the hard road, and before they could even sink into the dirt, birds swooped down and gobbled them up. Those seeds never even had a chance. Some seeds fell on gravelly ground. They quickly sprouted, their tiny green shoots pushing through the stones, reaching for the sun. But there was a problem. They had no deep roots. The moment the sun rose higher and the heat became intense, these tiny plants shriveled up and died. Other seeds fell among the weeds. They tried to grow, but the weeds were stronger, choking them, stealing their light and space. Those seeds were lost in the chaos around them. But some seeds, they found good soil. The dirt was soft, deep, and ready to receive them. These seeds pushed roots down and green shoots up, growing strong under the sun, soaking up rain, and they produced a harvest so big it was beyond anything the farmer could have imagined. You see, Jesus wasn't just telling a farming story. The seeds represent God's word and his love planted in our hearts. The different grounds, that's the condition of our hearts and the choices we make. Some hearts are like the road, hard, distracted, never letting God's word sink in, and the enemy snatches it away. Some are like the gravel. They get excited about God, but when life gets hard, they give up because their roots aren't deep. Some are like the weeds, busy, filled with worries, chasing after things that choke out faith. But some hearts are good soil. They listen, they trust, they hold on to God's word, and they grow into something beautiful, producing faith, love, and hope that blesses others too. The real question is, what kind of ground is your heart today? If you want your faith to grow, start by making your heart good soil today. Take time to pray, read God's word, and let it shape your life. If this encouraged you, comment, "I'm ready to grow" below. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories that help you walk closer with God.